Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. In this video I am going to be demoing and talking a little bit about the Papaya lip balm from Topicals. I love these. I have all the formulations and this is the latest one that came out, so I'm going to try it on, tell you guys how I like it, compare it to the other two formulations, and let you know whether or not you should get it. I promise I'm not naked. I have on a tube top. I don't know, I just realized that it looks crazy, but we're just gonna go with the flow. So it's summertime. But thank you so much for clicking this video and coming to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Please if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers and I cannot achieve that without your help. So please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, like the video, and if you want to see when I post you're going to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live, hit that notification bell. Alright, so now let's get into the try on and the review. Alright, so I'm back and I have all three of the Topicals lip balms. So this is the acai, this is like the dark berry color, the clear mint, and then this is the papaya, the new one. So I'm going to start off with the papaya. So it's funny, I went on a little solo day adventure today and this is what I treated myself as, like a little gift, and I was absolutely obsessed. I was actually in a restaurant, broke open the box and opened this up just because I want to try it on so bad. So this is my lips with nothing on it. As you can see, I have two-tone lips, so I have like a natural lip line, but I'm gonna put it on. There we go. And it has the same silicone little tip applicator. I have like random glitter somewhere in my house and it keeps ending up on my face somehow, but this is it on. So as you can see, it has like a slight orangey tint, kind of like the letters on the packaging, and I absolutely love it. It's like my lips but like orangier and better, and it is a, oh my god, I need to go put setting powder on my face for real because I'm so shiny. But I absolutely love it. It's so, it has more sheen to it than, this is the reason why I like the acai the least, is because the reflectiveness is hardest to see, and it could possibly be because they put the most pigment in it, but this one is really shiny, which is why it's more lip gloss like, which is why I love the original. And this one looks really good. Also, I think with my skin tone that this shade just fits better and it's less dramatic, it's more natural, and I could definitely see myself doing like various eyeshadow looks and that this lip wouldn't clash with that. So it doesn't settle into the lines, nice and reflective, it feels moisturizing, my lips don't feel tight, and I also don't have any goopy gloppy strings of lip gloss in between. It looks really good. But since we're in the breath of trying on, I like the way this feels. This definitely feels like a hybrid of these two together in terms of texture. The original goes on smooth like butter, which is why so many people love the clear. The acai is the most goopy, and I would have to say the papaya is like halfway in between. So it feels, it's not as smooth as the clear, but it's definitely not as goopy as the acai. So I really love it. And it looks amazing, especially like I said with my skin tone. I feel like if you're Fenty 420 to like, I'm 440, so I feel like 420 to like 460, this is gonna be chef's kiss on you, and it goes on amazing. So I am, since we're here, I'll put on the other two versions also. I have my handy dandy cotton rounds, and I'll be putting Walgreens brand micellar water to remove it. I hate the micellar waters that are duo phase and you have to like shake it up. But it does work amazingly. I just rather, because there's some nights when, you know, coming in late and I forget to shake it, and then I'm like, oh, micellar water needs to be easy. Why is it so complicated? So let me take this off. Also, another thing I love is that it's not stripping the micellar water, so you can like do these kinds of try on things and not feel like you're about to rub your lips off. I guess I'll do the clear next, because the clear, I don't want the acai to stain my lips a little, and then it's going to give it like a little color that's not really there. But my favorite is the mint. A lot of people don't like the mint smell, but the mint goes on like butter, the smoothest. It lasts the longest compared to the acai. This other shade is new, so I'm still testing it out, but this one lasts really long. And it looks gorgeous. Like, the look is like hair supply store lip gloss, but the feel is like Blistex, Carmex, Summer Fridays, nourishing Laneige mask. Like, it feels so nourishing to the lips. And you could, if you don't like it thick or goopy, you can definitely do a thin layer. But if you want that like caked up lip gloss look, you can add a lot more product to do that. But this is just the clear, regular plain. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite. Every VIB sale I buy the double pack, and then I just buy random ones all through the year, because I can never survive without that. Okay, we're gonna take off the clear. And as you can see, it is on there, like it's nourishing your lips, and it doesn't easily come off. So this is the acai one, which is like a berry. I understand why they went with the berry first. I feel like a lot of, especially because it's a black owned brand, a lot of black women especially love a berry lip, but I literally don't wear this one out. I only wear it to work out because I don't like how it looks on me. Now granted, I don't think it's horrendous, but it is darker than I would prefer. I would love if they came out with like a candy apple red one. I feel like that would be perfect. Or like a magenta kind of pink, like a, or well, not a bubblegum pink wouldn't show up, but like a hot pink, almost like a Barbie pink. I think that would be cute, but to me this is too like I can love you, and I love me some Mary, but it's too 90s ish. I don't know, something about it I don't like. And maybe it could be because I'm like golden undertone-y, so then this specific berry is not like blue base, it's like red base, so then maybe that's why it's messing with my skin undertones. But with the general product, I have no issues. Like I said, it's a little thicker, so it's a little more work to blend out, finesse, and make it look good, but in the end it does look amazing. My lips are super moisturized, and I get that little bit of shine that I'm looking for. But again, I'm super excited. The papaya is gonna be neck and neck with the mint to be my favorite. You know, shout out to acai, but she's just not that girl for me. But all of the Topicals Slick Soft lip balms are amazing. If you haven't gotten one and you like lip gloss, you need to get it. It's lip balm and lip gloss hybrid. Your lips are shiny, but then they're nourished and they don't feel dry and cracked if you have dry lips. So absolutely get your hands on these. These are amazing. Alright, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't